If you've ever wanted to make your PDF documents interactive with clickable navigation buttons that let readers jump between pages, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create custom navigation buttons in Adobe Acrobat Pro, so you can give your PDFs the same smooth, intuitive navigation you'd expect from a website or digital magazine. By the end, you'll know how to add buttons like Next Page and Back to Menu, customize their appearance, and even duplicate them across multiple pages. Let's dive straight into the step-by-step process. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. We'll start by going to the Tools tab. Look for it along the top bar, and then select Prepare Form. This is where Acrobat lets you add interactive fields. In the Prepare Form toolbar, find the Button icon. It should look like a small rectangle with OK written inside, kind of like a classic comic book button. Click that, then click and drag on your document to draw the button exactly where you want it. Maybe you want it in the upper right corner, or centered at the bottom, wherever feels most natural for your readers. Once you let go, Acrobat pops open the Button Properties dialog automatically, so you're ready to customize straight away. Now, let's configure your button so it's both functional and visually appealing. Start with the General tab. Give your button a meaningful name, like Next Page Button or Back to Menu. This isn't just for organization. It helps later if you have multiple buttons and want to quickly know which is which. Move to the Appearance tab to adjust your button's border color, background shade, and even font style. Don't skip this part. Making the button stand out, or blend in, can make a big difference in how your audience experiences the PDF. In the Options tab, you get to decide what's visible on your button's face. Add a label like Next Page, or use a simple arrow icon. For some, visual icons provide even quicker recognition than text. The real magic happens in the Actions tab. Here, Acrobat lets you define what happens when someone clicks your button. In the Select Action dropdown, choose Execute a Menu item. That tells Acrobat you want this button to trigger a navigation command. Click Add, and in the menu that opens, go to View Page Navigation. Here's where you pick the exact action: Next Page, Previous Page, First Page, or Last Page. This step essentially wires your button up to jump wherever you want. Click OK to confirm, and then Close on the Properties dialog. Don't rush. Think about which pages your readers will want to reach. If you're aiming for consistency and want your navigation button on multiple pages, here's a handy shortcut. Still in Prepare Form mode, right-click your button and select Duplicate Across Pages. This opens up a dialog where you can choose which pages will receive the duplicate button. Maybe you want a Next Page button at the bottom of every chapter, or a Home button on every page. This makes it easy. Just remember, you might need to delete the Next Page button from your last page, or the previous button from the first, since there's nowhere for those to go. It's like not putting a door where there's no room to walk through. Now let's make sure everything works smoothly. Click Preview in the toolbar. Your cursor should turn into a little hand when you hover over your new button, indicating it's interactive. Click the button and confirm you're jumping to the right page. If something isn't quite right, just exit Preview mode and tweak your settings. Sometimes it takes a couple tries. Don't worry if you need to adjust the size or label. Once you're happy with the navigation, click Edit to exit Preview and save your PDF. If you want to go even deeper, you can also add bookmarks in the navigation pane, giving readers another way to jump through your document, especially useful for longer PDFs. That's all there is to it. Interactive navigation can really unlock the power of your PDFs and make them feel more professional and user-friendly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have questions about Acrobat or want to see tutorials on other advanced features, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow how-tos. I'm here to help you make your digital documents shine.